Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to delete your post from Binance Square. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. If you are confused in any section, do note that we have also created a tutorial regarding how to log in. Now let's simply look at how to delete our post. Initially, what I would recommend you guys is to simply go to your profile. At the left side of the screen, just below notification, you will see a button like this called as profile. Click on it right now. Well, once you do, you will be redirected to your profile page. And right here, as you can see, this is a post that I had done. Now, let's say I want to delete it. Well, it's quite easy. At the bottom right of each of these posts, you will see these three dots, simply called as more. Click on it. And guys, that is it. At the bottom of the screen, you will see a button that says delete. Click on it and just give your confirmation. And guys, that is it. That's how we delete your post in Binance Square. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.